Alright guys, well welcome back to today's video. I am currently in Colaba at a place called Colaba Causeway Market. So I'm just about to head there now. Yeah, we're just going to have a little look and basically just see some of the things that they've got for sale in the market. Maybe pick a couple of things up while we're there. If I'm right, it's just straight ahead here, just across the street. And then we should be in the market. So, let's have a look. Already we've got little stores all around here selling different things. You can get your SIM cards, phones, phone cases. It looks like down here, oh, there's a goat. Did not see that initially, a goat on the side of the street. Oh, looks good. There's some nice foods there. So this is officially in the market now. We have tons of fruit and veg stores everywhere. Namaste. Kaise ho? Good, good. But there you can see we've got lots of fish and things. Namaste. Yeah, you've got tons of fruit and veg stores. Hello, namaste. Hello. Hello, namaste. Yeah, amazing. Namaste. Yeah, lots of friendly people here. Hi. Incredible. Hello, namaste. So really in the sort of the rural residential areas now. So if you've seen my previous video, you would have seen modern Mumbai and what that's like. So now obviously we're getting a sense of a different side of Mumbai. Some boats down here, which is quite interesting. Some boats on the side, just over here. You can see different types of residential. Oh, hello, namaste, namaste. Kaise ho? Kaise ho? Good, good, good. Hey, there. Kaise ho? Kaise ho? It's really interesting. We've got some nice boats doing some DIY work there. Wow. Oh, wow. Is that stingray? Stingray, wow. Oh. How are you? Kaise ho? Oh wow, look at that. It's crazy. How many fish did you catch? How many?
7.
7? Wow.
Where are you from?
I'm from England.
Oh, my favorite.
Oh, your favourite? Nice to meet you. So they've been out catching some fish down there by the looks of things on the sea. You can just see though, guys, this is obviously the side that does probably need a bit more work. You've got people going for a swim over here though, which is nice. So we do have that side of things, but hello. Yeah, it's a really nice, friendly, almost like a fishing town it feels like. It is very nice. Got all the boats on the docks here, tons of bikes. But yeah, I am out probably at the hottest time of day as well though. It's around 12:30 in the afternoon right now, so the sun is directly above. Very, very warm, but we're here and we do have an amazing view looking over Colaba. Look at that. I kind of wish I brought my camera with me now. Today was a camera-free day, but you can see just looking over there we have, if I can try and point them out to you, the Taj Palace, and then you've got the gateway to India just there as well. So yeah, really, really beautiful views. Looking across Mumbai, the harbour, very, very nice. Hello. Hi. Ah, but this is a very nice boat. I like the colours on that boat there. So guys, yeah, this just gives you a proper look really of this side of Mumbai.
Which country are you from?
England.
Yeah,
Namaste.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Hello, namaste. Kaise ho? Hello, namaste. This building is very impressive. You can see there's like a gold dome just on top there. I'm guessing maybe it's a place of worship or something, but yeah, very nice. Got some goats as well. Always nice to see some goats in the village. Oh, we've got a big van coming. We'll let him pass. Can you get through the gap? Of course you can. They can get anywhere, the cars and bikes around here. Very good. So yeah, so it's quite nice really. It's just like a seaside kind of market with lots of fruit and veg. We have a little store here too. Maybe I'll see if they have water. Oh, you do. Amazing. Hello, namaste. Kaise ho? Good, good, good. I think I'm gonna get some water. Maybe 2. Oh, good. Yeah. Thank you. How much?
20 rupees.
20 rupees. Alright, well it looks like maybe the main street is potentially down here. So we can have a little look and see. We've got some stores here, but I think they're more like DIY items, fabrics, clothing. Like some spices, seeds, biscuits, like a sort of mix of different things there. Hello, namaste, kaise ho? Yeah, crazy place.
Your channel name?
Channel name is Kieran Travels.
I'm a subscriber.
Thank you so much. Thank you for subscribing.
Thank you.
For those of you that are new to my channel, this is actually my first time in India. So Mumbai is my first place that I've been to in India. I've definitely got plans for lots more in the future. I've got 2 more stops that I'm going to be doing while I'm in India as well, so stay tuned for them. They'll be coming in future videos. Alright. Hey, nice vlogging, yeah? Hello, namaste. Kaise ho? Good, 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 good. Oh. A village of goats. I found something else that I want to try. It's chai tea. So you can see there I've got busy chai. It's very, very popular by the looks of things. Lots of people queuing up for it. So I'm thinking maybe this would be a good place to get my first chai tea. Hello, namaste. Good, good chai. Good chai, yeah. Okay, okay. This one, yeah, yeah, that's cool. 20 rupiah. Okay, thank you. Dandabad. Thank you, Dandabad. Thank you. Okay. So there we go. Got our first chai. I can see why people love this. That is delicious. That does actually bring me now, I think, to the end of my video. I've just been enjoying my chai. Okay guys, so I've just made it back to my place. Unfortunately, while I was out, my GoPro did die. So yeah, I wasn't able to end it then, but I am back now. So I just wanted to say that if you did enjoy watching this video, do not forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for new videos that are coming every week. I've got much more to share with you, so I'm very excited about that. But I hope you all have a great day. So see you in the next one.